got this idea that we could integrate information technology into cultural spaces. And we're working with the Long Island Museum, we're working with the Jazz Loft, we're working with the Long Island Music and Entertainment Hall of Fame. That's all right here in Stony Brook. So our students are going out and they're doing field work, and they're coming back to the lab and they're writing up code and they're designing interactives to help increase foot traffic, to increase accessibility to these spaces. It's like a dream come true for me. We're going to develop what is called an online educational resource, OER. So this is for small cultural institutions to have a sort of a cookbook. Say you want to do archiving and retrieval. We will have open source code that you can use from GitHub, examples of how to do it, template projects. You can roll your own, DIY. The students will be in the new honors program called Honors 200, which is interdisciplinary studies. So we're hoping to bring together students who are in art history, people who are in computer science and information systems, film and video, all of these types of different skills that they can bring together to help these institutions reach a larger audience and make their exhibits come to life. I'm really, really honored and humbled that Stony Brook has a program like this, especially for somebody like me. I'm not tenure track, so I'm a lecturer. And I feel like this is a validation of all the work that I've done over the years, and I'm really, really honored and humbled by that.